Hey, it's Mr. E here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve problems involving angles whose vertex is on the circle. Okay, so first I want to answer this question. Central angles and inscribed angles. What's the difference? So essentially, a central angle has a vertex at the center of the circle. So that's why it's called the central angle, because the vertex is at the center. An inscribed angle has a vertex on the circle. So you'll see that point S is on the circle. So let's dig a little deeper with the central angle. So a central angle is formed by two intersecting radii such that its vertex is at the center of the circle. And one of the things that you need to know about a central angle is that it's equal to the intercepted arc. So the measure of angle AOB is equal to the measure of arc AB. So over here, we know that angle AOB will be 80 degrees based on what we just said right over here. So that's digging a little deeper with the central angle. An inscribed angle is formed by two chords in a circle which have a common endpoint. And the important thing is this. For the inscribed angle, the vertex is on the circle. And here's the formula for the inscribed angle. The inscribed angle is equal to the intercepted arc divided by 2. Or we could say it like this. We could say an inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. So suppose here that we were told that the measurement of arc AC is 100 degrees. What would then be the measurement of angle B? Well, angle B is an inscribed angle, and that's because the vertex is on the circle, and the measurement of angle B would be 50 degrees. So that's pretty much the relationship between the intercepted arc and the inscribed angle. So let's work out a few examples. In example 1, find the value of B. So here's how I'm going to approach this problem. I'm going to begin by finding the measurement of this arc. You'll recall that the whole circle is 360 degrees. So to get the measurement of arc AC, so I need to find that first before I find B. So to get that measurement, I need to take 360 and subtract the sum of 82 and 60. So what's the sum of 82 and 60? That will be 142. 360 take away 142 is what? Well, 360 take away 100, that's 260. 260 take away 40, that's 220. So we get 218, right? So the measurement of arc AC is 218 degrees. Now to find the value of B. Well, angle B, as we said earlier, is going to be the measurement of arc AC divided by 2, because angle B is inscribed, meaning that the vertex is on the circle. So we found arc AC, we found it to be 218. So then we got to do 218 divided by 2. So that's going to be 109. So angle B is 109 degrees. Okay, let's try another example. Example 2. The new corporate logo created by the design engineers in Magic Motors is shown in the accompanying diagram. If chords BA and BC are congruent, so we're told that these chords are congruent, and the measurement of arc BC is 130, what is the measurement of angle B? So let's label. Okay, we are told that the measurement of arc BC is 130 degrees. Since these two lines are equal, we can go ahead and conclude that the measurement of arc BA is also 130 degrees. So this is also 130 degrees. Well, what would then be the measurement of the arc AC? Well, remember, the whole circle is 360. 130 plus 130 is 260. 360 take away 260 is 100. So that means that this arc AC is 100 degrees. Now, to find angle B, that was the question. What's the measurement of angle B? Well, angle B is an inscribed angle because the vertex is on the circle. So that means it's half of the intercepted arc. So we're going to do 100 divided by 2 to get angle B, and we get 50. So that's the measurement of angle B, 50 degrees. Okay, here's our last example. So it says a small fragment of something brittle, such as pottery, is called a shard. Okay. The accompanying diagram represents the outline of a shard from a small round plate that was found at an archaeological dig. If BC is tangent to arc AB and the measurement of angle ABC is 45, so let me go ahead and write that here. So this is 45 degrees. What is the measure of arc AB, the outside edge of the shard? So again, angle ABC is inscribed because the vertex is on the circle. So the relationship between the arc and the angle is a 2-to-1 ratio, right? So to go from the inscribed angle to the arc, we're going to have to multiply by 2, right? We're going backwards. So then that would mean that the measurement of arc AB is 90 degrees, right? Again, the way I got that, I did 45 times 2, and then that's how I got that 90. All right, so I hope this video helps. Take care.